I'm Kara, and you're watching Hometalk. Is it time to get your pantry in order? Here's where to start. Begin by emptying out your entire pantry, but don't start organizing yet. Just empty it out. I know it's hard to not put things in piles, but we'll get to it later. Once you're done, your counters should look like this. But don't worry, we'll fix it. Next, clean and measure your space. Don't go shopping before you measure to avoid buying too many things or things that don't fit. I'll be using a few different organizers like clear plastic bins, wicker baskets, turntables, and airtight containers. Next, figure out your design. This took me a little to get the look I wanted down, but don't be afraid to change it up a few times. Once your design is set, start refilling your pantry. I utilize a turntable for cans that normally take up a lot of space. This helped me to organize them in one place, but still keep them at arm's reach. You could also use a turntable for things like spices, oils, or even baby food. I used a wicker basket to store vegetables like potatoes and onions for easy access, but without the ugly bags. Using airtight containers for snacks eliminates bulky bags and lets you see how much snack you actually have left. Clear organizers are great for storing items like breads or even baking supplies. In a different cabinet, I moved baking materials to a higher shelf since it's not something I access every day. This freed up a ton of space in my pantry. So, once I categorized each bin and returned the design to how I figured it before, my pantry is done. How much better does this look? Everything makes sense for my home and my lifestyle, and it's super easy to find. I hope this inspires you to tackle your messy pantry.